Welcome back to Healthy Ways. If you're new to keto or just looking to simplify your meal planning, this guide is for you. Today, we're diving into an easy keto meal prep routine that will save you time, money, and keep you on track all week long. From breakfast to dinner, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. Before you begin, planning is key. Choose simple meals with ingredients you can mix and match. For beginners, stick to a base of proteins like chicken, beef, and fish, paired with keto-friendly veggies like broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower. Don't forget healthy fats. Think avocado, olive oil, and cheese. Make a shopping list that focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. This will help you stay within your carb limit and make meal prep easier. Let's start with breakfast. One of the easiest options is egg muffins. You can mix eggs with bacon, spinach, and cheese, then pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake. Make a batch of these, and you'll have a grab-and-go breakfast for the entire week. Each muffin has around 2 grams of carbs. Another great option is chia pudding made with unsweetened almond milk and chia seeds. Add a few berries and a sprinkle of keto-friendly sweetener for a delicious, low-carb start to your day. Lunch is all about keto bowls. A base of leafy greens like spinach or arugula, topped with grilled chicken or ground beef, will give you a satisfying, nutrient-packed meal. Add some avocado, cheese, and a keto-friendly dressing, and you've got a lunch that's both filling and under 5 grams of carbs. You can also prep cauliflower rice bowls. Sauté the cauliflower rice in olive oil, then top with your favorite protein and low-carb veggies for a tasty alternative to traditional rice bowls. For dinner, sheet pan meals are a lifesaver. Simply arrange your protein, like salmon or chicken thighs, on a sheet pan with veggies such as broccoli or zucchini. Drizzle with olive oil, season, and roast in the oven. You can prepare a few of these at once, giving you easy dinners for the week. You can also make a big batch of keto-friendly chili using ground beef, diced tomatoes, and plenty of spices. It's hearty, filling, and only 6 grams of carbs per serving. Snacking on keto doesn't have to be boring. Prep some easy snacks like cheese sticks, hard-boiled eggs, or a handful of nuts. For a sweeter option, try fat bombs made with cream cheese, peanut butter, and keto-friendly sweeteners. These will satisfy your cravings and keep you in ketosis. Always portion out your snacks ahead of time so you're not tempted to overeat. This way, you stay on track without counting carbs every time you reach for a snack. Now that your meals are prepped, it's time to store them. Use airtight containers to keep your food fresh throughout the week. Label your meals by day to make grabbing lunch or dinner quick and easy. You can also freeze portions for later in the week, especially if you prep in bulk. Keeping everything organized in your fridge will help you stick to your keto plan and prevent food waste. And there you have it, easy keto meal prep for a whole week. With just a little planning and a few hours in the kitchen, you can set yourself up for success. Let us know in the comments what your favorite keto meals are, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Ways for more low-carb tips. See you next time.